Hello, what we're gonna do today is gonna work with a MacBook Pro 13-inch with a kind of like stock trackpad. It's gonna be a simple fix, so stick around. First, we're gonna start with removing this backplate, and we're gonna use a great tool from a company that I'm not gonna mention yet. And now we're gonna remove the backplate. Here's the battery that we're gonna remove. Behind the battery is where the trackpad is located at. First, obviously, we're gonna have to disconnect the battery. Right tool for it, which is not this one. Here you see this one is smaller. This one is smaller than this one. And with that, we just simply need to remove, obviously first of all removing this part so that way it doesn't get away or get in the way. And the battery is successfully removed. Like I said, this is the inside of the computer and you can see the trackpad. We're gonna lose it here, and we're gonna clear the whole thing. I'm not gonna take it out, but I should. What do you think? So we're gonna make it simpler, and we're gonna just lose this part and lift it so we can clear the sides of the unit. Now it works perfect.